Hi guys! So I just got back from Mall of America, so I thought I'd do a haul. I'm splitting it up into fashion-y stuff and beauty stuff. So I went to MAC and Sephora and Nordstrom's, and I'll just do Sephora and Nordstrom's really quick because that's where I just got samples. I got the NARS Sheer Matte Foundation in Santa Fe, which I was Barcelona, which I get really nervous when I match different every time. So I kind of like going in, I figure if Barcelona is now really too dark on me, so I want to see if that one's closer. And then this one is Cashew Beige. And I don't remember if I've gotten Cashew Beige and one of the other beiges, the darker one. And I can't remember which one fit me better, so I'm going to try this, and if it's this, I can actually go get that. And then from Nordstrom's, I really wanted to get this today, but then I kind of thought about comparing them and saving a bit of money because I spent too much as it is. I got the Lumiere Perfection from Chanel, and this time I was matched. She actually color matched me instead of just handing me a packet. Nice. And it's Beige Rose in 42. So I'm going to try that. But I wanted to try it against the Matte Lumiere, and that's because I figured those would be the two that would possibly be more what I like. So I'm just going to try them. This one's 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. So I want to test those out against each other and kind of see what I like more for which one to actually buy. And for MAC, I ended up getting the Paint Pot Let's Skate. And I wasn't planning on getting this. I kind of was against it at first because I just didn't think I'd use it. And then I swatched it and realized how pretty it was, and I realized I'm going to use it a ton. It's a really pale, pretty pink. It's coming off white. That's the only bad thing. Today, oh, there, that's most true to color. And it's so glittery, shimmery, like I love it. It's like a, oh, just knocked over my camera. That's a swatch just on my finger, and like rubbing it out though, it shows all the sparkles that's in it, and it's kind of like a golden sparkle in there. It's just a really pale, pretty color. I think it'll look really pretty on its own and under things, give it kind of a luminous glow. You can't even see it. I just really think this is a pretty paint pot. So I got that one. The only one I didn't end up getting, because I got Morning Frost, was the black one with shimmer. I didn't even swatch that, which maybe I would have bought it, so it's probably a good thing I didn't swatch it. And then I got the dazzlespheres. I just kind of wanted to show it's in a big globe. And I got the blue Winter Sky Dark Moon. That's not helpful. Well, I got the blue one. The blue smoky eye one. And this one's got, let's see here. Let me swatch these real quick. I feel like these are chunkier than the Surf the Ocean pigments, but you can still smooth them out. It's just they start off a little chunky. And I'm not using like my MAC base or anything like that. Mixing medium, there we go. I'm like having a hard time thinking of what things are called today. And I'm just kind of swatching these real quick on the back of my hand. Ooh, pretty. I really love the different shades in these. They've got really pretty reflex in them. Like, really pretty. Okay, so this is the blue one. Comes with like a white one. The white one's probably the chunkiest. The smoothest is probably going to be the silver. And it's kind of a It's a smoother silver, I want to say, than the crushed pigments from Surf the Ocean. It's a little similar. So if you're just doing it for the silver, obviously you don't have to if you already own the Surf the Ocean. Then it's got a really pretty, it's like a denim blue color. It's really pretty, got kind of a purple reflex to it, but it's super pretty. Then this one is a black pigment, like a paler black, more transparent, with like blue and silver sparkles. I don't know if you can see the sparkles, but really pretty. Then I got the plum one. I didn't get the berry one. That's the only one I didn't get, and that's because even though I really like the copper and the brown color, I thought the brown might be a lot like Surf the Ocean pigment, or the Summer Stash pigment from Surf Baby. And I also kind of was worried that the other shades would never get worn, like the rosier shade, and also the one neutral looks a lot like some from Summer Stash also. I just dropped some on my thing. Oh well. Maybe I should have swatched these before I started filming. I always think that after I already start. And they actually have names for these this time, instead of just calling it the quad, and you have to be like the light purple one, the light blue one, whatever. They actually have names. Okay. Oh, well, the light color doesn't actually say what it is. Here, I'm just going to recheck this. Yeah, okay, it says on the bottom of them, this one says light violet, and then underneath that says grape. Light violet's the top, grape's the bottom. So this one says misty and seasonally cool. This is misty and... Oh! This is like not my day. I'm just not going to put that book underneath. That was not helping. And seasonally cool. Okay, so that's those. And swatched. Let me see. This is smoother than the white down here, but it's a little bit of a gray tinged. It's not quite silver. It's not quite totally white. It's like a in between. And then this one is that seasonally cool, and it's a very taupey brown. It's kind of... It's not that it's not warm, it's got like gold and taupe shades in it. This is probably one of my favorite neutrals from this collection. And then this one is that light violet. That is a really pretty color that I'm going to wear probably tomorrow. I'm going to do a look with these just because I want to wear them. And then this one's a very dark, it looks super sparkly there. Oh, no. There, you can finally see the sparkles in that one. Okay, but no, this one's not sparkly. It's just a grape. It's not quite as pretty purple, I think, as grape pigment, but it's kind of a cranberry grape, if that makes sense. And these are really nice because they don't come off super easy. They actually stay for pigments. So, okay, moving along. I also got the pink dazzlespheres. I think that's what they just said, because there's cream sheen and dazzle glasses. This one has, let's see here, Fashion Scoop. This is a very light pale pink. There we go. If I get super close, it's true to color. This one shows up kind of clear. Then there's Petite Indulgence, which is a very mid-tone, clean pink. It's kind of what I think of. This is a really pretty color just by itself, actually. And I really like these containers, if that makes sense. Because they're, let me compare them to a Dazzle Glass. This is a regular Dazzle Glass. They're a little shorter but a little thicker at the same time, so they fit pretty nicely in your pocket too. And then this one I love, Like Venus. This is a permanent shade, but it's beautiful sparkles. I saw this and was just like, yeah, I would get that even if it wasn't, or even if it was permanent. If I'd have seen it, I probably would have picked it up at some point. I wish there was more sparkle in that. Like, I mean in the... Hi guys! So it cut out there for a little bit, but I believe the last thing I did was Like Venus, which is the Dazzle Glass, and it's permanent. And it's just a pink with golden champagne sparks. And then the last thing is Rags to Riches, which is a more warm tone pink base. But then it's got like gold, pink, and blue flecks in there. And this is kind of the swatch of all of them. So Fashion Scoop is really light. Let me see here. Petite Indulgence is really the most pigmented, but sheer. And then the Dazzle Glasses are obviously glittery. Here. If you can see that. I really like these though. And now I got the coral one. And that one is Cream Sheen Richer Lusher. That one is, let me see if I can get it. That's the truest color. It's kind of a corally, peachy color. I actually think this is really pretty. It reminds me a bit of Evolution Revolution, but it's more of a cream, obviously. This one is On the Scene. This is more of a neutrally peach color. And here are the kitties. This one is really cool. This I think is just a cool color. It's the Dazzle Glass, and it's Eurobeat, and it's like an orange corally color with gold sparkles. And it's got really pretty sparkles, and it's got decent pigmentation for a Dazzle Glass. And then the very last one is P-H-I-F-F. So Spiff, Piff, something like that. And it's basically, I'm guessing, it's just kind of clear with champagne-y sparkles. It's just glitter. So that's these swatched with the cream colors here, and then the other ones. I really like that Eurobeat, but they're just really pretty coral peachy colors. They're coming up a little more neutral than they should, but I still think you can get a small idea at least, hopefully. And so that's the end of the haul that I had of today. It looks like a lot of stuff. So I really am happy with the glosses, and I guess they're a really good deal. You're actually saving money by getting that set instead of like losing by chance. Sometimes that happens with their collections. So next I'm gonna do a haul from H&M and Victoria's Secret. So I will see you guys in just a minute, but if you don't watch that one, then next one. Bye. Oh wait. Bye.